2-ingredient gourmet breakfast. Yes, really! Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be guiding you through these easy and delicious 2-ingredient gourmet breakfasts. Craving something delicious but short on time? Get ready to revolutionize your mornings with these incredibly easy 2-ingredient gourmet breakfast ideas. Imagine fluffy, naturally sweet pancakes that are both gluten-free and dairy-free. All you need are ripe bananas and eggs. It's that simple. Mash one ripe banana really well until it's smooth. Then whisk in 2 eggs until everything is nicely combined. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium heat. Pour a 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot surface for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and cook through. Serve immediately and enjoy this guilt-free treat. For busy bees who want a grab-and-go breakfast, overnight oats are your new best friend. Prepare it the night before and wake up to a creamy, satisfying meal. Combine equal parts rolled oats and your favorite milk, dairy or non-dairy, in a jar or container. A 1/2 cup of each is a good starting point. Stir well to ensure the oats are fully submerged in the milk. Seal the container and refrigerate overnight. In the morning, your oats will be perfectly softened and ready to eat. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. Elevate your breakfast game with this elegant and surprisingly simple combination. The sweetness of cantaloupe perfectly complements the salty richness of prosciutto. Slice a ripe cantaloupe into wedges or cubes. Arrange the cantaloupe on a plate. Drape thin slices of prosciutto over the cantaloupe. The contrast of flavors is simply divine. This is a perfect breakfast for a hot summer day when you want something light and refreshing. Need a protein boost in a flash? These microwave scrambled eggs are ready in minutes, perfect for students or anyone on a tight schedule. Crack 2 eggs into a microwave-safe mug, add a dash of salt and pepper to taste. Whisk the eggs vigorously with a fork until light and frothy. Microwave on high for 30 to 60 seconds, or until the eggs are set but still slightly moist. Be careful not to overcook them. Fluff with a fork and enjoy your quick and easy scrambled eggs. Who says you can't have cookies for breakfast? These oatmeal cookies are made with just bananas and oats, making them a surprisingly healthy and delicious option. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees Celsius. Mash 2 ripe bananas until smooth. Mix in 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats until well combined. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let them cool slightly before enjoying these guilt-free cookies. Craving waffles but watching your carbs? Chaffles are the answer. These cheesy waffles are made with just eggs and mozzarella cheese. Preheat your waffle maker. In a bowl, combine 1 egg and a 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Mix well until the cheese is evenly distributed. Pour the mixture into the preheated waffle maker. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Enjoy your low-carb waffle with your favorite toppings. This classic combination is a simple and satisfying way to start your day. The creamy cottage cheese pairs perfectly with the sweet and juicy cantaloupe. Cut a cantaloupe in half and scoop out the seeds. Fill the cavity with cottage cheese. Enjoy this retro breakfast bowl as is, or add a sprinkle of granola for extra crunch. It's a refreshing and protein-packed way to start your day. Blend your way to a delicious and nutritious breakfast with this frozen fruit smoothie. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and protein. Combine 1 cup of frozen fruit, berries, bananas, mangoes, etc. with 1/2 cup of flavored Greek yogurt in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Add a splash of milk or water if needed to reach your desired consistency. Pour into a glass and enjoy this vibrant and energizing smoothie. These egg muffins are a fantastic make-ahead breakfast option. They're packed with protein and veggies, making them a healthy and convenient choice. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together egg whites with a handful of baby spinach. Season with salt and pepper. Pour the mixture into muffin tins lined with paper liners or greased with cooking spray. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the egg muffins are set. Let them cool slightly before enjoying. These egg muffins are perfect for meal prepping and taking on the go. Last but not least, we have avocado toast. This simple yet satisfying breakfast is a blank canvas for your creativity. Toast your favorite bread. Mash or slice an avocado and spread it on the toast. Season with salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, or everything bagel seasoning. Get creative with your toppings. Add a fried egg, a sprinkle of feta cheese, or a drizzle of hot sauce for extra flavor. The possibilities are endless.
Ready to ditch the complicated recipes and embrace the simplicity of 2-ingredient breakfasts? Try these ideas this week and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes, and share this video with your friends who are looking for quick and healthy breakfast options. Let's make mornings easier and tastier together.